Hello students, in this video we will learn how to edit section using section editor in Civil 3D. Once your corridor is built, chances are you will want to examine it section by section or make some adjustment and check for problems. For a station by station look at a corridor, select the corridor and you can use section editor from the contextual tab. Once you are in the section editor, you are in a poorly data driven view. That means that this is a live editable section of the corridor and is not for plotting purpose. The section editor allows for multiple viewports configurations so that you can see the plan, profile and section all at the same time, as demonstrated in these steps which we are doing now. Just open 904 drawing from the description link. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box. Just select the corridor and from the corridor contextual tab, modify corridor section panel, use section editor like this. But maybe once you will select this corridor, you will not get viewport, something like this. How you can adjust them? From the section editor contextual tab, view tools panel, just click view configuration. It will open corridor section editor viewport configuration. Set layout to 3 above like this, and then viewport 1 will be plan, then viewport 2 should be profile and viewport 3 will be section. Then horizontal split should be 50% and then vertical split also should be 50%. Then press OK and you will see something like this, the viewport 1 and 2 and 3. You may receive a warning dialog asking if you would like to turn on viewport configuration. If so, select yes. To exit the section editor, you can click the close button on the close panel like this and you will be on the home tab or any other tab. The section editor contextual tab offers many commands other than just viewport configuration. The station selection panel on the section editor contextual tab allows you to move forward and back through your corridor to see what each section look like. If we select this corridor and here we go to the section editor, we can see many sections here, station by station. If we will change the station, our section will be changed here. We can also move forward like this with this button. If you want to edit a section, you may do so geometrically in the viewport showing section in the section editor like this, or through the perimeter editor palette, but not both. To graphically edit a link, hold down the control key on the keyboard while selecting the items. This will activate grids that you can use to relocate or stretch to the link like this. Okay, if you would rather use the perimeter editor to make more precise changes to your section, we can do something like this. From the section editor contextual tab, corridor edit panel, choose perimeter editor here. Advanced the select a station list until you reach the station of your interest, and then you can click on the parameter editor to change the more changes. Look through the listing of subassemblies and their current parameter values. When you find a value you want to edit, just click in the value field of overridden like this. If I want to change the pair width depth, then I can change them here like this. So when you change the value, a check mark will appear in the overridden column. You will find that some of the values are also uneditable like this. The changes you make can be applied to just the section you are viewing or to a range of station in the region you are working in. You can use here apply to a station range to do this for start station and end station, and then you can apply all changes for station to station for all of these stations. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned with us.